Hello everyone out there. Today we will be doing a video on the C programming language. Today I will be showing you how to display a name. It's quick, easy to do. And so let's get started. First thing first, we must call upon our character, C-H-A-R. We're going to name the first one, first name, because this is just a simple name display tutorial. Alright, one thing different between C++ and C is in C, sometimes you gotta tell them how long you want the string to be. I'm gonna put it at 52 because there's 26 lowercases and 26 uppercases in the English alphabet. The next one, middle initials. We're just gonna keep that 52 to make sure we're consistent throughout the whole thing. Consistency is key in programming. Oh, a little bit too fast with keys. Last name, and we're going to call it 52. Alright then. Now, to have a name display, it's quite easy. It's simple input and output. First thing we're going to do is print F. Now we gotta have a message. Enter your first name, a little space, and make sure we end it with a semicolon. Next one is scanf. Scanf. What we do here is commas, %, s, so it knows it's a string, and we call upon first name and semicolon. Now to save some time, what we're going to do is a little bit of copy and pasting. And boom. Alright, let's back this up and make sure everything's lined up. Alright. Alright, now let's change up a few things. So everything is consistent. Alright, let's get rid of this and let's put middle initials. Once you see it, just hit the enter button. It'll speed things up. Alright, just hit enter. Alright, now print out the full thing. Do print F, parentheses, your full name is, now we gotta do %s, %s, %s again, comma, now we must call upon each string, should have appeared, but sometimes this happens. There we go. Now we're cooking with some fire. Last name, and let's end it off with a semicolon. Now let's check to see how well we did. We're going to call John W. Snow. There we go. As you can see, John W. Snow appeared. And that's how you display a name in C language. Please hit that like button and that subscribe button, and more videos will be sure to come. Thank you.